click on the time that you wish to book. In the top left-hand corner, the countdown timer will be displayed. This is usually set anywhere between 2 to 4 minutes, depending on your club. The date, time, and court number you selected will be displayed. If these are correct, you can continue on the right-hand side, or if it is incorrect, click on the left arrow at the top. If your club has opted to provide rental options, then you will see them here at the bottom on the left, and check to select it. On the right-hand side, you will see the required number of players and the max number of players allowed for this court booking. Since you're logged in, by default, you will be in the player 1 position. Click Add Member to add another person. Type in the name of the person you wish to find. Anybody with that first or last name will be displayed. Let's click on Steven Adams. If your club allows guests to be added to a court reservation, the Add Guest button will appear. Click Add Guest. Type in their first name, and if you choose not to type in their last name and click Add, it will turn red. This is indicating that you must fill out this field, so type in their last name. If you do not put in an email address, it will allow you to continue with adding them. The email address is used for the email confirmation to be sent to the guest as well, provided the club has turned on email confirmations. So I don't want to add Bob Jones's email address, I'm just simply going to hit add. TBD, if your club allows it, means to be determined. So if they allow it, you can simply hit TBD and you're now holding a spot for another player. In the event the timer runs down to 0, this lock expired pop-up will appear. What you'll need to do now is click back to court sheet so that you can reselect the time to complete your booking. Not to worry, I'm going to show you how to do add buddies and groups shortly, and that will be a quick and easy way for you to choose from a list of names so that in the future you'll be able to make your reservations quick and easily instead of having to type all your members and guest names that you want to add. So let's go back to court sheet and select the 2 p.m. that we started. And I'll just add everything really quickly now. Just added a member. We're going to add a guest. And let's add a TBD. But if there's anybody you don't want, remember you can go ahead and hit the X to get rid of it. So add buddies and groups. Now, buddies and groups have to be pre-created in order for you to access it. So if you have any buddies that you hang out on any day of the week, they can be as individuals that you can select from. Or groups will be people that you hang out on a particular day of the week. So for example, I have a Sunday group which has 2 people in it. Your groups could have 2, 3, 4, as many people as you want in them. So if I want my Sunday group to join me for the court booking that we've selected, then you can go ahead and click on the group name. And now those 2 people have now been added into my player list. If you have any notes, you can go ahead and use the request notes box to type something to the club. If not, you can go ahead and hit book now to complete your reservation. Once you've completed your reservation, the check mark and booking completed will appear. On the left-hand side, it will display the court, the date, the time, your confirmation number, along with the players' names that you added to the reservation. If you had any resources, you'll see that displayed here